Hello everyone, welcome back to PLC Automation. This is Jaffer, and today's video we are going to continue with our project. So in the past video we have stopped at the same level and we will pick it up from the same point, right? So this is UDT tank. I have filled all the variables and now we are going to set the variables of the UDT reset. I have already declared some variables. You can just copy paste it or stop the video and fill it out. Okay, and now this is our FB tank. We go to FB tank. I have already declared the variable. So this is all the variables: input, output, in and out, and static. So you can stop the video and fill the variables, and then we continue right now with the coding. Okay, first of all, we are giving some text. This is the basic fault check. Level I, then fault level equals to true, and if. Okay, and now the temperature default temperature equals to false. Okay, have temperature and int temperature is 100. Alright, we just do it. It should work, but it's better to make some separations. And now fault in general equals to fault level or fault temperature. Okay, ready for use equals not fault general and level low. Level low. Alright, and now Manual overrides. And commands. Okay, CMD fill motor equals to fill equals CMD fill valve equals to command fill. Right. That goes to 0. Let me put some text here and now sequence state. Okay. And now we return and now okay. Okay, now we should auto mode. Okay, we're gonna use some case states of 0. Okay, fill motor equals to false. CMD fill of false. False in filling. Empty equals to false. Okay, and now filling if requested and here space no file if request fill and not level high then that equals to 10 right. So in state 10 okay, request fill, and if emptying if requested available above below and no. All right. Request empty and label and post 0, 0, and 20, and if all right. Step 20, and now we are going to declare 10 filling in filling filling cost no to CMD feel about okay empty equals to false okay. And second one in filling should be also false. And state equals to 0, right? And 20 we are going to empty or those are, for example, eventing equals to true CMD fill motor equals to false CMD valve should be also false for security reason. And now CMD empty should be true. CMD valve should be also true. Now what we are going to do next, calculate how much has been dosed. Dosed person equal to start. Or not all in general, just give me an idea of the structure 20 or not. Now here should we clear something else or not low level, level low or fault general or not a request empty and while and return back to here. And now then we have to empty motor equals to false. And if else that, okay, take it once more to 0 and now end case. All right. So we are at the end of our FB tank control. We have written all the codes and we are now 18 minutes. So I thank you very much for watching this video and I hope you have enjoyed coding this function block. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.